So this which we got for $20, and we just have to picnic. Then we're gonna clean it up, and then I go crunch this cracker.
Where did you get this?
At Walmart.
What are the colors?
Blue and silver and a pink.
No, purple.
Purple.
Yeah. And how do you just take this little handle off?
Yeah.
Are you going to take the handle off for the cracker?
Yeah.
Okay. Take the handle off. And then for that one, you can put your foot on it. Put your foot right here and pull up. Do you want Grandma's help?
Yeah.
Okay, you hold that. Ready? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No, you got to crunch up. So what are you going to do?
Crunch this cracker up.
Okay, we're gonna see if this little bissel works. And
Yeah.
that's the on button right
Yeah.
there.